Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the PC and mouse. Run the RAW Accel installer as administrator, because driver permissions matter. Once done, make sure to disable other mouse utilities and Windows pointer precision so they do not conflict. You should also confirm your mouse DPI and polling rate. Write down exact numbers like 800 DPI or 1000 HC, since those figures determine how you will map acceleration later. You will now build the core curve. Open the RAW Accel interface and create a profile tied to a game or global use. Next, tweak sensitivity, acceleration strength, and smoothing. Start small, then increase until movement feels natural. Make short, repeatable swipes to observe how the cursor responds. This immediate feedback reveals overcorrection or lag. Also set the active polling and input capture options, so RAW. Finish by saving the profile and enabling auto start so your settings load at boot. Then bind that profile to the game executable or application you use most and run practical in-game tests to confirm consistency. If something goes wrong, first check USB polling and cable connections, then reinstall the driver or reset RAW Accel settings. These steps fix most stutter or mismatch issues. Finally, document the working values so you can restore them quickly if needed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.